March 2026, Adobe agreed to pay $150 million to the U.S. Department of Justice. The reason? They were hiding a fee that could cost hundreds of dollars to anyone who tried to walk away from their subscription. An internal executive email that surfaced in court called those fees, quoting directly, a bit like heroin for Adobe. Their Creative Cloud now costs up to $840 a year. Today, I'm going to show you every free tool that covers every Adobe product and how to exit your plan without paying a penalty. Adobe restructured its plans in August 2025. The old All Apps bundle is gone. Creative Cloud Standard now costs $54.99 a month. That is $660 a year. Creative Cloud Pro runs $69.99, $840 a year. They are still using the annual paid monthly model. You pay monthly, but you are locked in for 12 months. Leave early, and you owe 50% of what remains. Stay with this video to the end. The cancellation section shows you exactly how to avoid that fee. 5 Adobe products, 5 free replacements, 1 cancellation strategy. First, Photoshop. Canva AI 2.0 arrived on April 15, 2026, the biggest update in the company's history since it launched in 2013. For photo editing, background removal, compositing, and marketing design, it covers 90% of what most people open Photoshop for. The free tier includes around 50 AI credits each month. For the tasks Canva does not handle, GIMP fills the gap. Now in its 3rd major version, released in April 2026, it is the open-source image editor with full professional features: layer editing, masks, curves, color grading, available on every platform at no cost. Together, Canva for speed and GIMP for depth, Photoshop becomes optional. Second, Illustrator. The latest version of Inkscape came out in May 2026. It is the professional vector editor used by designers who have decided Adobe is not worth it. It works natively with SVG, the web standard for scalable graphics, logos, icons, illustrations, print work, any resolution without quality loss. This release fixed 24 bugs and improved PDF and SVG import handling significantly. Not a beginner workaround, a serious tool that professionals choose by preference. The next version, already in development, adds multi-page SVG support, which closes the last meaningful gap with Illustrator. Zero cost, open source, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Third, Premiere Pro. DaVinci Resolve is the standard editing software in Hollywood. Feature films and television series are cut in it daily. Video editing, professional color grading, audio post-production, and visual effects, all in one application, all without paying a subscription. The current stable version is what you download today from the Blackmagic Design website. Worth knowing, the next major version is in public beta right now, with a photo page that also covers Lightroom workflows. The CEO confirmed at NAB 2026 that this upgrade will be free. A paid studio edition exists at $295, one-time purchase owned forever. Compare that to Premiere Pro at $275 every single year. Fourth, After Effects. Fusion is a professional node-based compositor built directly into DaVinci Resolve. You switch from the Edit page to the Fusion page without changing applications. Keying, rotoscoping, motion tracking, 3-dimensional compositing, particle effects, and motion graphics. Studios and broadcast teams use Fusion as a genuine After Effects alternative in production. It ships inside the free version of DaVinci at no extra charge. Fifth, Lightroom, and this one just changed in a significant way. Darktable has been the standard free Lightroom alternative for years. It remains a strong option for pure photo editing workflows, but the next version of DaVinci Resolve adds a dedicated photo page, non-destructive editing, node-based color correction, and the same color science used in film grading applied to still images. This is in public beta and confirmed as a free upgrade. That means one application now covers Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Lightroom. 3 separate Adobe subscriptions, 1 free download. If you are on the photography plan at $239 a year, this single application covers everything it included, plus video editing and compositing on top. Now, how to leave without the termination fee. After the $150 million settlement, Adobe must clearly show the early termination fee before you confirm any cancellation. You will see the exact amount on screen before anything is charged. That fee is 50% of your remaining payments. 6 months left in your annual plan means you owe 3 months' worth. To pay nothing, wait until you are within 30 days of your renewal date. Find that date in your Adobe account under Plan and Payment. Set a calendar reminder now. cancel in that window, and owe $0. If you subscribed within the last 14 days, Adobe's refund policy covers a full return with no penalty. That is your other clean exit. Never cancel mid-year without confirming the exact fee first. The settlement now requires Adobe to show it clearly. Use that information before you click anything. 5 Adobe products, 5 free alternatives, all current as of May 2026. Photoshop, Canva AI 2.0 plus GIMP, Illustrator, the latest version of Inkscape, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, Fusion inside DaVinci, Lightroom, the DaVinci photo page or Darktable. Total annual cost of Creative Cloud Pro, $840. Total cost of every free option listed today, $0. If you want the Studio Edition of DaVinci with AI tools and noise reduction, $295 one time. Still less than 1 year of Adobe. Subscribe for a new, honest comparison every week. Drop a comment. Which tool are you most glad to stop paying for? See you next time.